What factors determine a borrower's interest rate? There's several factors that determine a borrower's interest rate, but the main ones are 1. The borrower's middle credit score. The higher the middle credit score is, the lower the interest rate will be. 2. The loan to value. If the borrower puts a large down payment, the rate will be lower, and if they put a minimum down payment, their rate will be higher. 3. The loan amount. If the loan amount is in a range that banks or lenders prefer, the rate will be lower. Also, if the loan amount goes above the county loan limit, for example, for FHA and conventional loans, the loan will be considered a jumbo loan and will have higher interest rates. 4. The loan amortization time period, or loan term. In general, loans with a 15-year amortization will have lower interest rates than loans with a 30-year amortization period. 5. The type of loan the borrower is getting. When a borrower is getting a loan and qualifying for a specific loan program, this will affect the interest rates they get. For example, if they get an FHA or conventional or USDA or VA loans, they will all have different interest rates, and that will depend on the loan program the borrower is approved for. 6. The home's location. Most lenders have different interest rates for different states. Since the default rate for each state is different, lenders need to factor this into their rates before they offer it. 7. Fixed interest rates and variable interest rates. Variable interest rates will always have a lower interest rate than fixed interest rates, and they will also adjust over time, so you need to take that into account as well. 8. The cost of the interest rate. When borrowers want a lower interest rate, they can always pay loan origination points to get a lower rate. They can also choose to get a credit towards their closing costs if they accept a higher interest rate. Sometimes this option of getting a credit is not available, but it's always something to consider that can have a major effect on the borrower's closing costs, and it can also affect their interest rate.